marriage without spices is boring.
It's another video and we miss you. Today's video, we want to talk about why we started our YouTube channel.
Yes, of course. But I mean, babe, have you ever wondered how the world would have been if everybody is willing to share their life experience, whether good or bad?
I think it will be a world less of mistakes, yeah, because you learn from someone's mistakes and you would not repeat it.
Exactly. So guys, based on this, we are going to share 7 points with you, being the reason why we decided to start
this YouTube channel.
Yes.
Intro.
First on our list is to share our experience and to inspire others.
Yeah, like he said in the intro, guys, if everybody was to share their experiences, good or bad, like you learn from it and you try to learn and not repeat.
That's right.
Their mistakes, so that when you get there, you know how to handle it, you know the decisions you have to make, so that like things wouldn't be like that of the mistakes that others also encountered.
Exactly. So growing up, the community some of us are coming from, guys, you hardly hear people talk about their marriage experiences.
Not even your parents, not to talk about others sharing their marriage experience with you. I remember somebody saying, there is no way you ever see your mom and dad holding hands or before you realize your mom is pregnant.
Yes.
Yeah, hello.
And I mean, it has been something that I'm talking from experience, because in my community where I grew up, a lot of breakups, divorce and stuff were very, very predominant. And you hardly hear people talk about the mistakes they've made in their marriages so that their children will also learn from it. No. Because of the culture, the upbringing, and you know, in this part of our country or in this part of the country, our continent,
like
people
what happened
to
your marriage. That now, if you ask your mother, they will tell you go and ask your father. If you go to your father will tell you go to
your mother.
So nobody is ready to tell you like the details of their marriage. The ones you see, the ones you don't see, leave it there.
And if you don't take care, you also grow up, the same cycle will repeat itself. But guys, we have decided not to. We have to share our experiences. We have to, put it out there so that people will know that marriage in quotes is not as people, perceive it to be. Because growing up, our easy, marriage is not easy. Marriage is not for this. But
it's not for the young boys.
Marriage is about seriousness. But guys, we are married and we are still, cool like that. Somebody will watch us and that person will be inspired. And let's to talk of people who sometimes send us DMs and they praise us and they go like, Charlie guys, I like what you guys are doing. You are inspiring us.
The support.
Seriously, we appreciate you too much. We also saw people, some of the, people we saw in our churches and stuff who were enjoying their marriages, and we also said, come on,
Charlie, we'll make our marriage as beautiful as it is.
And indeed,
it's a conscious
effort.
Yeah. So another reason why we started this YouTube channel is to spice up our marriage. So imagine we not having a common reason why we will sit in front of a camera, talk, laugh, chat. Like now the house will be like one way style.
Yes.
Like wake up, eat, go to work, come back, kids, you sleep, you wake up, like
bass.
And we don't want to like follow the status quo of like no. Like Charlie, we have to do something different.
Yes.
So to us, this is another way of bonding. This is another way of enjoying our marriage. This is another way of like spicing up. It makes you creative, wanting to bring out new things. and in the end you end up spending enough time with your husband, your wife. Like, it helps us to spend enough time with ourselves.
Yes, and to add to that, it also helps us to learn. So sometimes before we come out with some of the topics that we will discuss, we also try to research on that to add up to the experiences that we've already accumulated. And I must say that, Charlie, it has been good. See, let me tell you, anybody who says that marriage is not boring is a lie. Marriage without spices is boring.
Like, you can really get fed up. Like, you can be bored. Like,
seriously,
you are the two of you are in the house, so but you are bored.
I tell you,
it can happen.
So next on the list is to set a new pace for the family.
Yeah. Imagine if our forefathers or our fathers or our mothers had these YouTube channels and like those things. Charlie, by now we will be cashing out.
Yeah. Oh,
like,
yes.
Hey, yeah, dope. Like, it would have opened our eyes.
Yes.
Like, it would have been
talk of confidence level.
Yeah, you'll be out there. You'll be bold. You'll be confident. Like, I don't know how to put it, but you'll be outspoken.
Exactly.
Like, you'll be out there
because of the exposure.
Yes, that's the word I was looking for. Like, you'll be exposed and then you get to learn a whole lot of things. So we decided to break the status quo.
Yeah.
Enough of the normal routine. You want to do something abnormal, if that's how you call it. Something unusual in our family. Like, Charlie, we are the first.
We are the first to set up a YouTube channel.
We'll be the first to do it.
Yes. And
because we are crazy enough to just sit behind the camera and talk and laugh and share everything.
I mean,
like, that is how we are.
But you know, babe, do you know that with this, people have this mindset that things of this nature, YouTube, class of people.
Oh boy.
So, and you see, most of the channels and everything you see, one, it's for the rich, for celebrities, and so when it comes to the bodo people, they don't have anybody representing them, and we are here to represent you. See, guys, we are here to inspire you, regardless of wherever you are coming from. Regardless of wherever you are coming from, you can attain the height that you want to attain, wherever that you want to go. Just start small. So my community, I tell you, the way I'm inspiring some people over there,
you will never know what your life is doing to some people.
Yeah.
You will never know. That's why they say that actions speaks louder than words.
Exactly.
As you are walking, you are coming, you are talking, you are doing this, you are doing that. People are watching and are learning from you. So guys, let's be positive out there. We decided to create this channel to
have fun. And to touch life.
Yeah. And I believe you are doing it because the comments we are getting, the feedbacks we are getting.
It is the reason we can't stop.
Yeah, and we'll keep going.
And we'll keep pushing. We'll keep pushing.
Next reason why we started this channel was to unearth and develop our talents.
Yeah.
So, me sitting here, I never knew I could stand in front of a camera and talk. And because of this small videos we've been doing, this YouTube channel, when a gig came for me to appear on a national television, I was confident and bold enough to go sit there and express myself
boldly.
And it's because of this channel that the person recommended me. So imagine if I was sitting somewhere, not creating any channel, not sharing anything.
You wouldn't come in the mind of the other person.
Yeah, to recommend me to such a TV station for the gig.
When it comes to my side, I think I never knew I could direct a video. I could shoot.
Editor.
I could
all
edit.
The things you could see happening in the video.
Director. I never knew.
I'm just a producer, director, everything to him. I just appear on the screen. I don't do anything after shooting the video.
You do a lot. You inspire me as well. But guys, let me tell you, I never knew I could download some apps and just put things together and just make things happen. I didn't know. But today I can tell you, and you see, people see these things to be big things, scary, and they are just the small things.
Yeah. Can you believe all the videos you've been watching is the magic of a phone?
Yeah, everything is done by the phone.
From
and shooting to editing to uploading.
Younger is a high-tech phone.
It's not a high-tech phone, you know. It's not that the quality, you know. No.
The common members, I mean,
you know, but Charlie, guys.
People would think, some will call, so what app have you, like, they think we are sitting behind some laptop,
big gigantic,
PC,
you know, machines and no, it's just the small things.
We came for us, our members.
Yes.
You know.
And we'll grow to that level. So guys, I've actually learned how to edit videos. Sometimes when I'm leaving the house to the office, I do editing on my phone. Before I get to my workplace, I'm done editing.
To me personally, it has built my confidence level.
Exactly.
Like, it has made me outspoken.
Sure.
Let me put it that way. I have that confidence, that boldness.
Yeah.
Wherever you put me, I will deliver.
Growing up, I used to be the shy type. But today,
we don't raise up our hands in class. When we know the answer, we'll pass it to the next
somebody
person.
To say it. But today,
we will not say, oh boy.
We will nail it.
Bring some presentation while you feel it.
Next is of course to generate a revenue and use that revenue to support our social services. Guys, see, YouTube is a whole job on its own that generates income for people who go into it full time. Perhaps we are doing it part time, as and when it comes, but people are into it full time. But then somehow, when the time gets there and we are able to meet the requirement and everything, we believe and we trust that it will generate some revenue. And this revenue, guys, will go into the production itself. Our phone is not that high quality. Probably maybe we'll buy some
high-tech
camera. And even if you have a high-tech camera or phone and you think you can support, why not? We are ever ready. We'll buy gadgets, we'll buy, if we get a lapel,
I wouldn't have to be, my husband is better. Babe, speak up, I can't hear you.
Sometimes I have to tell her, amplify your voice more.
And me too, I'm that type that I have to, He started making me scream like, how? Please get me a lapel mic.
Very soon a lapel
so that I'll be able to close my mouth and talk.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
And aside putting the money into the gadget and stuff, we are into charity. We belong to this NGO, True Express Prophetic Dance Ministries, where we normally go out to do charity work. And we would love to,
give it back to society.
Because we have felt poverty before, so we want to give out. So that is the other side of it.
Our last but one point is to also build a household brand for the family.
Sure.
So now everywhere I go, my Beck is missing. It's now Felbeck. I remember my husband telling me, he was in town, all he heard was Felbeck. He turned somebody he didn't know. And she was my colleague, and she had to introduce herself to my husband. So my husband came to tell me, I'm like, wow, I know this lady. So like everywhere you go, Felbeck. Even when I go to welfare clinic, Felbeck. My name is on my card.
They will not pronounce that one.
It's FelbeckTV. They call us. So like that's the brand. It has started coming. I'm sure very soon when they see DM, they will say baby Felbeck.
Exactly.
And it goes like that.
And God willing, as things goes on,
the brand will
some way somehow we'll expand the brand. We'll delve into other businesses, and the brand will be
the Felbeck name. It has come to stay. It has come to stay, and it's staying.
So guys, the last one is to keep up with the world's trend. Not the negative. No. But guys, we are getting to a level where the market is the internet. The world is the internet. IT is the ish now.
Yeah.
And it's good that everybody will try to,
have that knowledge.
Exactly. Now the world is all about AI, artificial intelligence. And guys, you can sit in the comfort of your house today, and if you have the AI app on your phone, it can do everything for you. You can tell AI to write a whole thesis, and it will write it for you.
And then you submit it.
So the world is changing.
So we just wanted
you
to
just
keep
have to,
up to
because
the
the children coming will come and ask questions when they are growing up. And if you are not up to the trend, you might be left out.
Yeah. Now the world is all about social media.
It's about social media. Yes.
And no. It's like if you don't have a data connected to social media, it's like you are cut off from the world.
Yes.
Yeah. So we just wanted to move with the trend, the positive ones.
Positive ones.
Yeah.
So guys, in a nutshell, the reason why we started YouTube is one is to inform, is to educate, is to inspire, and to entertain.
Yeah.
So
and
in a nutshell,
I guess we've been good entertainers.
Oh yes.
But say
not entertaining you, Peo, but we entertain ourselves as well.
That if we decide to accumulate the behind the scenes for you guys,
hey guys, you will bring it one day.
We'll do it one day for you. Remind us that we have the behind the scenes videos. We'll accumulate all of them.
Thank you guys.
I know most of them will be me, but
on this note, guys, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and to our returning viewers, we love you.
We love you. We say God bless you and be a better version of yourself.
Yeah.
Mwah. What do we say?
We are